Hello, we're here today and we've got our Christmas Fresh Box, and this has been created by our global compounders.
But the compounders are the people who make the products. You have to learn everything about the products that you're going to make, and you have to be able to put all the ingredients together. Did they volunteer or did you?
They volunteered, yeah. So normally they have a formula that they follow.
Yes.
But obviously this time they made their own formula.
So using their expertise, we've now got this lovely little box with a handful of products in, 6 products in, made by the experts really. So you should enjoy that.
It's just nice to see that behind the face stickers they actually are real people.
Absolutely, they are. Yeah, and they're from all around the globe, aren't they? This is why we call it.
So we've got Toronto, we've got Japan,
yeah,
Finland, and obviously there's people from the UK that are from Poland as well.
So it's an opportunity for them to draw on their national ingredients and also their personal preferences.
All their Christmas memories, that kind of stuff, which is really lovely. Alina talked about her grandmother making Kompot, which she uses like lots of dried plums and apples and cardamom, she said. So yeah, I've made it like a little bundle for it for like a toner, facial toner. So obviously to use it, you just like steep it in some hot water for 15 minutes. And then I'm going to use flannels with mine to steam my face, but you obviously could steam your face over it, or you could use like the toner water to wash your face mask off afterwards. So
yeah, nice.
And then Tom wanted to do a Fireside Lush melt. So he's obviously got memories of visiting his grandmother too. He just remembers like snuggling up in pyjamas and waking up Christmas morning, that kind of memories. And he was talking about love and being with your family at Christmas, so that was really nice. So obviously I like using these in your wax burner. So you snap off a square and then you kind of fragrance your bathroom before you get in, and then you run your bath.
Or you can just drop it in.
You can just drop it in your bath, yeah.
Melt,
yeah.
Like a bath melt.
And then obviously we've got other Lush melts that you can use as well in the range as well. And then Garrick from Toronto. So his inspiration was his sister's mulled wine.
Oh yeah.
So he wanted, this is called the most wonderful wine of the year cleansing roll.
Nice.
And so he used grapes and cranberries in this and moisturising beetroot.
Has it got almond meal?
And it's got, the ground almonds in it to make it all milky.
Nice, yeah.
Cleansing rolls, obviously we've got Angels and Bare Skin, which obviously was one of your creations. You were saying it's really good for teenage skin as well, which is really nice.
It is, yeah, well, because it's slightly abrasive, but it's also got ground almonds in there, so it does actually lift.
And calming lavender, yeah.
Yes, yes.
Yeah, that's really lovely. And then I like to mix it out a bit and fragrance my skin with the soap as well. So this is a strawberry soap that Yumi from Japan created. So it's one of our buttercreams as well. So
it's a really soft, glycerin-rich soap. So just use as normal, but lovely on the body.
Yes.
In the shower. This smells fantastic, doesn't it? So she's done a good job with that.
Her birthday is in December as well, so she gets made like a strawberry cake for her birthday and for Christmas.
Oh my God.
So she has lots of memories of that time of year. So she created one of those. And then we have partners for all our countries, don't we?
Yes, we do.
So Susanna is our Finland partner. So she was telling us stories about the rice pudding that they eat at Christmas time. So it's nice to have all the fresh ingredients. So it's like got orange juice and plum in this as well. So
they're all lovely ingredients for skin. I mean, the rice, I like rice a lot. How much of your body could you use that on, do you think? Well, because it's not only restricted to the face, is it?
Yeah, I never think of that. So
get handfuls of it and wash it onto your skin. No, it's lovely.
Yeah, so you just relax for 15 minutes and then wash it. And then finally, we've got Sylvia. So Sylvia's from Poland. So this is like a famous gingerbread shape. So the dad became ill, who made the gingerbread, so his daughter took it, but she couldn't find the cutters. So she just used like drinking glasses to make the shape. So it's like a traditional, lovely shape for gingerbread. So yeah, so I've turned this into a scrub. So it's got lots of ginger juice in it. So, and it's just got lots of caster sugar and also like a bicarb kind of citric kind of fizz as well. So it's just gently got to start it off, and then it just scrubs you, gently kind of buffs your skin.
Very nice.
Yeah. And then obviously Christmas, very busy for Lush.
1,400 staff in the UK factory at the moment making Christmas products, which is a huge amount of people really beavering away. And don't forget, these are all handmade.
You can never keep up with them, can you? Because they're so good at it, aren't they?
Yeah.
So we've made, is it like 1.2 million ballistics in December just for the UK?
Wow.
and Bûche de Noël, which is obviously another cleansing roll, which we've used. We're going to make 35,000 items as well, so there's lots of. But I like going in the bubble room when they make snow fairy bubble, because you can hear, because obviously bubble mixes like rises and goes down, and it's kind of like they whack it down with a rolling pin to make it like behave, and then they roll it and they cut it, but they can cut perfect slices. So the smell of snow fairy at Lush is obviously very Christmassy, isn't it? So
thank you so much for contributing and supporting us for the year. We do enjoy making these, and it's just been very experimental, just to try to get the feel of real ingredients into our products. So it's been very nice. Thank you very much, and have a lovely Christmas.